Good morning, students. I am your Nagini ma'am. Thank you very much, students, for clicking on my video. So today I am going to discuss about the some basic concepts of chemistry. First PUC, accuracy and precision topic. I am going to discuss, students. So first of all, what is an accuracy? What is the precision? I will give the one example. Okay, now then you can easily understand, students, what is accuracy and precision. Okay, Nama. So first of all, what is an accuracy? Accuracy. What is an accuracy, students? It refers to the closeness between the standard value and the measured value. Okay, what is the definition, students? It refers to the closeness between the standard value and the measured value. Clear? Standard value and the measured value. Okay, what is standard value? What is measured value? See, students, there is a closeness between the standard and measured value, that is calling as accuracy. Okay, now in example I will discuss it, students, what is standard, what is measured. You can easily understand. I am giving the definition. Precision also now. Precision. What is the precision? What is precision, students? It refers to the closeness between the it refers to the closeness between the measured values. Are you following? Any two measured values, there is a closeness. That is nothing but precision, students. Are you clear this one? So it refers to the closeness between the measured values. It is nothing but precision, students. Now see, for example, substance. Suppose X is the substance, students. Its weight is 49.08. Okay, na? Its weight is how much, students? 49.08. This is considered as a standard value, students. How I am considering this one? Standard value. Okay, this is the standard value. Okay, now for example, students, here water boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius, correct? It is the standard value. Okay, now if suppose in our laboratory, if we calculate the boiling point of water, we won't get exactly 100 degrees Celsius. You will get just nearer to 100, you will get, correct or not? For example, 99.99 something, 99.98 something, you will get, correct or not? So whatever we are getting the values in the laboratories, okay now, so those values are measured values, which is the standard value 100 degrees Celsius. That is the water boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. That is the fixed value. Are you clear this one? That is the standard value. What we are calculating in the laboratory, what we are measuring, that is the measured value, students. Are you clear this one? Right. Now see, students, it is the fixed value, it is the standard value. Suppose X is the substance, its mass is 49.08, it is the standard value. Here two students are there, two members, A student, B student. Suppose I am taking the A student, see here, A student, A student, he calculated nana X substance mass. Okay, na he done three times his calculated, students. He calculated three times. What is his mass? What is the mass of the substance X? First time he got 49.02, and second time he got 49.15, and third time he got 49.10. Okay, now if you calculate these three measured, what these three values, students, what we will call? These are all measured values. What values, students? These are all measured values. Clear, Nana? So these are all measured values. He calculated three times, he measured three times X substance mass, but these values are the different values he got. Three times different values only he got. What is the measured values mean, students? How to find the mean of these measured values? How to find it? 49.02 plus 49.15 plus 49.10 divided by 3. Correct? Mean means this total 3 values by total how many are there? 3. So you have to find it. Then how much you will get? If you calculate this one, you will get 49.09. So 49.09 you will get, students. So this is the measured value. Are you clear this one? What is this, students? This is the measured value. Okay, Nama, this is the measured value. Are you clear? This is the measured value and this is the standard value. This is the measured value. See students, these two values once you observe, this is 49.08 standard value, 49.09 is the measured value. Both are closer, correct? 49.08 this one, this is 09. That means there is a closeness between the standard value and the measured value. That means student A results are more accurate. Correct or not? See here, there is a closeness between the standard value and the measured value. Then we'll call it as accuracy. That means student A results are more accurate. Are you following? Standard value, measured value, there is a closeness. Are you clear? And coming to the precision. Now see students, what is the precision here? What I told you, there is a closeness between the measured values. Okay, these three are measured values only. Here what is the difference students? This minus this. Tell me. Here there is a closeness students. This is 02, this is 15. Correct? 49.02, this is 49.15. There is no closeness. Are you following? Very less. Okay na, so that means there is no much closer, and this value 0.05 difference is there. Are you following? So that means these values, this value, if you see, you here there is no much closeness. Are you following? But here there is a closeness, but this value, this measured values, there is no much closeness. So that's why what we can say, student A results are more accurate because both are standard value and the measured value both are closer. So that's what we can say, student A results are more accurate, less precise because there is no much closeness. Are you following? Between the measured values. Are you clear? So that's why less precise. So what we have to write students finally? See Nana, what we can write? Student A results. So A student results Nana, results, what we can write Nana? More accurate. Correct? More accurate and less precise. Correct Amma? Less precise. Clear this one? Less precise. That means there is no much closeness between the measured values. Okay? This is about the A student. Now I am going to discuss about the B student. See here students, B student I am taking now. What about the B students? B student. See here, B student. B student. So what is the B student students? He also done 3 times. He calculated the X substance mass students. So what he so what he got Nana 3 values. So first value is 49.009. So first value 49.40. Sorry, 49.44 and third value 49.42 he got. So here also 3 different values he got. Now see students, 3 values, calculate the mean value. These 3 are which values students? Measured values. Are you following? These 3 are which values students? Measured values. Okay now, measured values. These measured values mean calculate Nana. 49.40 plus 49.44 plus 49.42 divided by 3. How much you will get? 49.42. Now see students, this is which value? This is the measured value. Clear? This is the measured value. Now see, this is the measured value. This is the standard value. Now 49.08 is the standard value. This is 49.42 measured value. There is a much difference is there. Correct? That means there is no much closeness between the standard value and the measured value. B student result. So that's what we can say, B student results are less accurate. Correct or not? Less accurate because standard value and the measured value there is a much difference. Are you clear students? There is no much closeness. Now coming to the precise, measured values once you observe students, this is 40, this is 44. That means there is a closeness between the measured values. Are you clear? This value, there is a closeness. 4, 4, this is 4, 2. That means there is a closeness between the measured values. Are you clear? That means what we can say, B student results are more precise, less accurate. Are you following? Because more precise, now there is a closeness between the measured values. So that's a, what is the conclusion, students? B student results are, what we can write, B student results. So what is the B student results, students? B student results, less precise, correct na? Less precise, yes, less precise, sorry, less accurate, because here standard value and measured value, there is no much closeness. That's what we can say, less accurate. Okay, and coming to the precision, there is a more precise. Are you clear? Because there is a closeness between the measured value. So that means what we can say, more precise. Clear, students? More precise. So student A results more accurate, less precise, but student B results less accurate, more precise. Are you clear this one topic, accuracy and precision? Now we will give you the general example, see students, how to understand this accuracy and precision. For example, you want to become, for example, one student is there, A student. Okay, now A student, he wants to become a class topper. Okay, now he wants to become a class topper, students. Okay, so class topper, he want to become a class topper. He is having the one target. So what is his goal, students? Class topper. This is the standard. Okay, this you have to consider as a standard value. Okay, now to become the class topper, what he has to do, students? He has to do, first we have to, he should do hard work, correct or not? He should do hard work, correct? So first of all, he should do hard work. You have the yes, and he should study seriously, correct or not? Study seriously, yes or not? And morning early time he should get up, and yes or not? Okay, now early morning he should get up, early morning should get up, correct or not? Should get up. Okay, and still what we have to, what he should do, students? So to reach his goal, he should do this all the things, correct or not? He should study seriously, he should do hard work, and early morning should get up, correct or? Now see students, so A student target, that means his goal is class topper. Okay, now he wants to become a class topper. So that we are taking as standard value. Okay, now to reach his goal, so first of all what he has to do, study, he should study seriously, and early morning should get up, and he has to do hard work, correct or not? So these all the things he should follow, and yes or not, then only he can reach his goal, correct or not? So these three are just you have to consider as a measured values. Are you clear? These are all the measured values. Okay, now so that's why, so when the student A following these three, then only he can reach the goal, correct? He can reach his goal, class topper. Are you following? Are you clear this one? So that means A student, when he is following these three things, then only he can reach his goal. That means accuracy, that means he will get the accuracy, at the same time precision. Are you following? Precision is nothing but between the measured values there is a closeness. Are you following? So he should study seriously, early morning should get up, this hard work, these are all closer. Are you following? These are all, everything one is, it is there is a these three are very nearer to each other, correct? He has to do study seriously, early morning should get up, then only he can reach his goal. Are you following? That means A student, so that means whenever target is there, okay, now suppose target, that means he wants to become a class topper. That means when he will become the class topper, he should follow this all the things. That means measured values, when this measured value should be very closer to the goal, his goal. Are you following? And these measured values also, between them there is a closeness. Are you following? Then only he will reach his goal. That means anybody having any goal, okay Tama, so that any goal, they have to maintain both accuracy and precision, students. Then only they can reach their goal. That means accuracy is nothing but these three. These three are closer to class topper. If suppose he is not following these three, he can reach his goal. No, he cannot reach his goal. So that means there should be, that means measured values, both these measured values, standard value, both should be closer. And these measured values, there is a closeness. Are you following? Okay now, so then only they will get the success. Are you following? That means any game if you are playing, compulsory they have to maintain the accuracy as well as precision, students. Are you clear this one? And one more example I will give you, students, you can easily understand. See, now see students, one more example I am giving you. Okay, see here. This is suppose one boy, student, one boy. This is the volleyball court and this is the net term. Okay, now this is the target, net is there, and this is the volleyball court, net. This is volleyball court, net, volleyball court, net. Now see students, this boy he throwed this volleyballs. Okay, now two times he throwed. Okay, now then what happened? Two balls exactly reached the target. Correct or not? They reached the target. Are you understanding, students? Reached the target. Now see, that means this boy is having the more accuracy and precision. Correct or not? More accurate. His results are more accurate and more precise. Are you clear this one? More precise. That means the two balls reached the net. That means accuracy is there. Okay, now accuracy is there. This net is the standard value. These two balls are measured value, students. Are you clear? Net is what, students? Net is the standard. Okay, now standard value. Okay, and balls, okay, volleyballs. So these balls are which one, students? Measured values. Clear, Amma? Measured values. Clear? Now see students, net is acting as a standard value, Nana, and here two volleyballs are there. These two balls are acting as measured values. Clear this one? So these two measured values reached that means very closer. Measured values, balls and net, both are how they are, students? Very closer. That means more accuracy is there and more precise. And between the two balls, is there any gap? No, both are closer. So that's why more precise. Now see students, here two balls are here like this. They reached the target, students. This is the standard value. These are the measured values. This measured value, and there is a closeness. No, here balls are there. Here target standard value is there. So that means there is a less closeness between the standard and the measured value. That means accuracy is less. Are you following? Less accurate. Okay, less accurate. What about the precision? In between the two balls, there is a less gap. Yes or not? There is a less gap. That's why there is a more closer between the balls. So that means more precise. Less accurate, more precise. Okay, now see the third students. See students, here two balls are there. These two balls, both balls are reached the net, Nana, but not entered. That means they are nearer to the target. They are nearer to the standard. That means they are closer. These two measured values are closer to the net. That means we can say that more accurate. Yes, more accurate. And what about the precise, students? In between the two balls, there is a gap. Yes, they're not closer. Here, no gap. Less gap is there. That means closer. Here more gap is there between the two balls. That means precise. That means what? Less precise. Are you following? That means there is no much closeness between the balls, between the measured values. That means less precise. Now see this example, students. Here these two balls are not closer to the target. That this is the standard value. Net is the standard. Not closer to the standard. And these two balls, between them there is a more gap. That means not closer also. That means no precise, no accuracy. Correct or not? That means less accurate, less precise. Are you following? Four examples I gave you. This is more. Here two balls. Here net is acting as standard value, ball is acting as a measured value. Okay now. So this boy, he throws two balls. Both balls it is reached the target. That means this net is standard. These balls are measured. That means there is a closeness between the measured, between the balls also there is a closeness. That's why what we can say, more accurate, more precise. But in this case, these balls not closer to the standard value. Are you following? And there is a closeness between the balls. Between the balls. That means between the measured values. There is a closeness between the measured values, that is nothing but more precise, less accuracy. And this one, two balls are nearly closer to the standard value. That means that's way more accurate. And between the balls there is a more gap. That way less precise. And in this case, two balls not closer to the standard value, and there is no closeness between the measured values. More gap is there between the balls. That's why less precise, less accurate. Are you clear, these students? So when will success students, this boy, when in these four members, who success who reached the goal? Only this one. Okay, this boy. That means when he has the accuracy and precision, both are having more accuracy and more precision, then only he reached the goal. Are you following, students? That means toppers, okay now, who wants to become a topper, they should have the both accuracy and precision. Okay, in game also, if anybody suppose in volleyball, it should reach the target. That means balls should reach the target, should enter into the net. That means accuracy should be there, precision should be there, then only they will get the success, students. Are you following? Clear? I hope you like this video, students. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, students. Thank you very much, Nana.